Experience grinding and cutting without heat and sparks. The Norwegian company, Safety Tools Allmet, supply cost-efficient EX-certified equipment for cutting and grinding. You can cut steel or any other material without making a hot surface or any hot sparks that can ignite natural gas. There is no airborne dust, low noise level, and no sharp fragments. It's incredibly safe to use. Our spark-free grinding and cutting tools are certified by DNV, the Norwegian Veritas, as cold work. Safety Tools Allmet grinding and cutting tools are also super efficient outside your EX areas. Our tools are designed for steel grinding and paint removal, and to make any surface ready for new coating within the SSPC SP11 standard. We offer the most efficient tools in its class with significant HSE benefits. Safety Tools Allmet, cut the heat, cut the risk.